What is going on, everybody? My name is Baloo and welcome to the jungle. This is the channel where we take a very simple approach to technical analysis. We analyze the price in the context of volume using the Wyckoff method. If that is something that interests you, why don't you hit the subscribe button? I do this every single day, except for the days that I don't. Got a little tongue-tied there. In today's video, we're just going to do an update on Ethereum. I want to take a look at the macro because the macro on Ethereum is fantastic. And I just want to remind you what is happening inside of Ethereum. Taking a look at, this is Ethereum Classic. Let's get onto the Ethereum chart here. Let's zoom out. Let's go to the daily, okay? And let's go, I don't need the futures Ethereum. Let's go on to spot. Let's go over my spot trades. Okay, a lot going on inside of this box here, okay? So basically, you know what? Let's get rid of all this garbage. Let's start over. The most important thing that I want you to take a look at, the most important thing that I want you to make note of right now inside of Ethereum is this level right here. Boom. Okay. This was quite a consolidation zone. This is the $300 level on Ethereum. And after we broke through the $300 level, we pretty much took off. That was the major catalyst inside of Ethereum, inside of the last run where we really took off and basically exploded. The entire altcoin scene was insane. People were making 1,000% profits in a day. Stupid things were happening during the tail end of the macro bull run. And then we came down close to this area, got a automatic reaction off of that, or automatic rally off of that. And then we got trapped below it. And you can see we tried to get above it here. We did poke our head out here. That was met with a rejection, coming back down to these previous lows right here. Got a nice rally up to it. Huge rejection. That was the, is that March? Yeah, that's the coronavirus dump. Then we kind of just whittled away to the upside, and finally broke through and tested once, tested twice. And now we are forming higher highs and higher lows, and we are about to break this level right here. Now, this is not, inside of my group, we do the Wyckoff method. I just want to keep this one really simple, really easy to see what is happening. We need to break 500. 500 is going to be this cycle's psychological level inside of Ethereum, at least in this part of the cycle on our journey to the all-time highs. 500 is going to be the psychological level. So if we can get above 500, if we can consolidate and hold and test above 500, just like we consolidated, held, and tested right above this $300 level, it's going to be fantastic. Ethereum is, in my opinion, extremely undervalued. A lot of people, we get caught in the weeds and we do a lot of research on individual projects, and we get fascinated by the different aspects of some of these protocols and some of these coins and some of these tokens, and it's hard to really understand what we're trying to build here. We are building a new finance system. Like, at its core, we're just creating a new financial system. Bitcoin, it can be argued. I'm not here to, a lot of people already know I'm definitely a Bitcoin holder. I definitely believe in Bitcoin. And we can, that's not what this discussion is about, but, we need currencies and we need assets and we need commodities to be traded, just like we have in traditional finance. We have stocks, we have commodities, we have bonds, but they're all isolated and they're all, trapped in their own ecosystems. The New York Stock Exchange is not the same as the Japanese Stock Exchange. It's not the same as the Mexican stock exchange. It's not the same as the Canadian Stock Exchange. We're all decentralized. We're all regulated in different ways. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to give financial instruments to anybody in the world who has a smartphone. And one of the key players in that revolution, in my opinion, just because of first mover advantage and the amount of infrastructure that has already been built, is Ethereum. Ethereum is significantly undervalued. One thing I know about crypto is it's full of surprises. I don't do price predictions on this channel because I think that they're silly. I think that they're for entertainment purposes only. And I guess my goal here on the channel is not to entertain you. But I don't like price predictions because the top comes in at the top, the bottom comes in at the bottom. There's no rhyme, there's no reason. It's just what the market decides. And for anybody to try and predict that is, it's just the market's going to decide. And that's how I analyze. That's how I approach it. And I keep it simple. So, I could make a call that we're going up to 20K, but it doesn't mean anything. It could go higher, it could go lower, it could not even reach the all-time high. The market is going to decide what the price of Ethereum is. But me personally, I feel that Ethereum is significantly undervalued, and I'm definitely going to be leaning into it, especially if we get a successful launch with ETH 2.0. Notice how I say successful, because ETH has, for those who are new to crypto, Ethereum did have the DAO hack. These protocols aren't perfect. Exploitations can be taken advantage of. So we might get a little bit of drama with the ETH 2.0 launch. We'll have to wait and see. But anyways, that was a hell of a tangent. This is what I'm seeing inside of Ethereum. Chart looks good. Chart looks healthy. Price action looks great. Volume is coming in. We have a steady increase in the volume. Things are looking tickety-boo inside of Ethereum. And that's basically all the time I have for today. So if you enjoyed the content, please leave it a like. It really helps out the algorithm. And if there are any projects that you would like me to take a look at, leave them down in the comments section down below. And until next time, please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.